Intent to enroll in new student orientation registration tutorial. Intent to enroll. To begin, log in with your CSUDH username and password at my.csudh.edu. Then click Sign In. On the left side of the page, click the Admission tab. Then click Application Status. Locate the box titled Accept or Decline, then click the Accept or Decline link. On the new screen, click Accept Decline once again. To accept admission, click I accept admission. Review the disclaimer, then click I agree. After reading, click Pay Online Now. Warning: if nothing happens after you click, a pop-up blocker may be preventing the next page from loading. You will need to allow this pop-up in order to continue. If you see this message, you may skip ahead to the NSO registration portion of this tutorial because your intent to enroll deposit has been waived. If you do not see this message, continue watching this tutorial for your next steps. Click I agree to proceed. The next page may take some time to load. To begin payment, click Make Payment. Select Current Account Balance, then click Continue at the bottom. Select your preferred payment method. For this tutorial, we have selected credit card via PayPath. Once you have made your selection, click Continue. Then click Continue to PayPath. On the PayPath welcome screen, click Continue. On the next page, click Continue again. Then enter your payment information and click Continue when finished. After you have finished reading the transaction review, click the box near the bottom indicating I agree. Finally, click Submit Payment. On the next page, you may print your receipt and close the window. To proceed to NSO registration, go back to your original browser window or sign back in at my.csudh.edu. NSO registration. Locate the Admissions tab on the left side of the page. Then click NSO Registration Status. Select a date from the options provided. After you select a date, the next page will load on its own. This may take a longer period of time to load than previous pages. Click the drop-down menu to choose your lunch preference for new student orientation. Next, list any special accommodations you may require. If none, leave this section blank. Then click Confirm and proceed with payment. Click I agree to proceed. This page may take a while to load. To begin payment, click Make Payment. Select Current Account Balance, then click Continue at the bottom. Select your preferred payment method. For this tutorial, we have selected credit card via PayPath. Once you have made your selection, click Continue. Then click Continue to PayPath. On the PayPath welcome screen, click Continue. Once again, click Continue. Enter your payment information on this page, then click Continue. After you finish reviewing the payment transaction, click the box indicating I agree near the bottom of the page. Finally, click Submit Payment. On the next page, you may print your receipt and close the window.